Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where Doris is today. So today is the 4th of March, March 4th, yeah. And today's weather is rainbow. So when Doris appears when it's the rainbow weather, she will always be underneath the rainbow. So right now I can't see the rainbow because I'm near Doris. So Doris is located here, as you can see, um, near the Old Sea and near Winter Utopia. So you can interact with Doris here and purchase some stuff. But yeah, that is where Doris is today. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.